the Ministry of Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony halted on Friday the balloting of official Hajj applications due to unclear policy on the quota of operators as well as a court stay order. Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony Secretary Khalid Masood shared that the balloting has been halted due to various verdicts by 3 different courts on the quota issue. He said that the Lahore High Court had ordered that quota for government and private Hajj operators should be 50-50. Later, a 2-member bench of the Sindh High Court had ordered that the quota should be 60% for government operators and 40% for private operators, he remarked, adding that on Thursday the Sindh High Court's Sukkur bench ordered a stay on the balloting process. A petitioner had approached the High Court against the clause in the government's new policy which states that individuals need to wait for a certain period before performing the holy pilgrimage again. Federal Cabinet approves Hajj Policy 2018. On the other hand, Federal Cabinet had decided last year to keep the quota for government at 67% and for private tour operators at 33%, Masood said. Sources inform George News that verdicts by 3 different courts led to some confusion among the Religious Affairs and Interfaith Harmony Ministry. Hajj quota has become a chronic issue since it surfaces every year with a number of petitions instituted against the government's policy. People proceeding on Hajj can either use private tour operators or the government quota which is finalized through a ballot. On May 17 last year, the Supreme Court ordered the government to reframe the newly approved Hajj Policy 2017 by accommodating those private Hajj tour operators who were denied quota earlier, adding that no Hajj group organizers should suffer on account of being a comparatively new or junior entrant.